Hi, how are you doing? Today I'll be showing you a video tutorial on how to hide colons in Excel. To start, you open up your Excel worksheet, you select the colon you want to hide, you click on the letter to select all colons, then you right click and select the hide option. You click on hide. So you can see that colon D has been hidden. And you can see a dark blue line here to indicate or show that the colon is hidden. Now to unhide the colons, you select the colons around the colons around the hidden colon, that is colon C and colon E. After selecting it, right click and choose or click on the unhide options, and you can see the colon is back on the sheet. So that's how you can hide and unhide colons in Excel. Hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Bye guys.